One thing that you would have liked to have eaten or consumed that you didn't.
Oh my God, you're gonna laugh at this. I told Julie this. I did order it for takeout tonight for dinner, guys, folks, so I do not crave it anymore. I was craving butter chicken on the run.
Butter chicken gels, baby. We gotta get invented.
Exactly. I could have paid no matter what amount of money to eat butter chicken with garlic naan halfway through that run. I was dreaming of it. And another thing, grape juice. I was dreaming about grape juice on the run.
Interesting. Well, there you know you need that maybe the day before to hit that sweet spot.